This video is about the Psychology 101 Application of Psychology assignment. We are searching the library academic databases for 3 scholarly articles you can apply to some aspect of psychology in your life. You will remember from the scholarly article analysis that a scholarly article, also called an academic article, is one written by a person who is an academic expert in their field, usually someone who works in a university setting. Scholarly articles are frequently peer-reviewed, which means the article is submitted to an academic journal where a board of peers, or other experts in the field, review the article. Peer-reviewed articles are frequently referred to as the highest form of information reliability. First, let's think about all the possible topics you could write about, and all the areas where psychology touches your life. You may be interested in parenting or childhood. You might be interested in eating disorders, anxiety, or substance abuse. Most people are interested in happiness. For this example, let's do a search on mourning and death. We will start in the statewide Psychology and Sociology Library Guide linked to in your IvyOnline class. Let's click on the Research tab. You can find scholarly articles in library databases such as APA Psych articles, Psychology and Behavioral Sciences Collection, or the Academic Search Complete. Let's do a search in Psychology and Behavioral Sciences Collection. Coming up with a search phrase is an exploratory process, and you may have to play around with several different words or phrases before you land on the search with the best results for you. Let's try searching for mourning. This brought back 576 results. Let's try grief instead. This brought back 2,570 results. Some databases may offer search suggestions. Let's try grief counseling. This brought back 111 results. Notice the icon next to each article. This identifies what type of article we are looking at. For an academic or scholarly paper in a psychology class, you want something labeled an academic journal or scholarly journal instead of a more popular periodical or news article. If your instructor requires your articles to be peer-reviewed, be sure you select the peer review filter on the left. Now all your results will be peer-reviewed. Let's select one of these articles. This is the detailed record for the article. You will find the publication information we used to make the citation, including the article title, the authors, and the journal where this article originally appeared. The abstract is a summary that describes the article. If we are interested in the article, we want to be sure to read the full text, which you can find on the left of the page. This article is available in both PDF and HTML formats. Either one will work, but PDFs have the advantage of including page numbers. When you find a good article, you want to save it as you work on your assignment. Do not bookmark database articles on your computer, since the links in the address bar are not permanent or stable. Instead, use the toolbar on the right. You can save the article to your student Google Drive, email a copy to yourself, or download a copy of the PDF directly to your own computer. You can also use the Cite tool to create an APA-style citation for your references page. Double-check your citations, as automatically generated citations may contain small capitalization errors. For example, the article title in APA format should be in sentence case. This means the first letter of the first word is capitalized, but everything else is lowercase unless it is a proper name. As you continue your research, you may need to search more than one database. If we try the same search in APA Psych articles, you will notice that we find different results on the same topic and that all the results in this database are already peer-reviewed. Research is an exploratory process, and you may need to try multiple databases and experiment with multiple search phrases to find your articles. This concludes the video on doing research for the application of psychology assignment. If you have any questions, please contact your Ivy Tech library through Ask a Librarian. Thank you.